We're here to replay our tiebreaker, so let's not waste any more time. Pilots, prepare for flight. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
And the robots are alive with a vengeance. We've got a few gears being delivered up and into the blue airship. We've got an autonomous rotor apiece. It's all tied up, 75-75. Drivers step forward and take control as we begin tele-operated play. This is why we're in a tiebreaker. This is why we're in a replay of a tiebreaker. These two teams are so evenly matched, it's hard to know who is going to win it all. The Red Alliance trying to carefully bring a gear up and aboard their airship. If they can get it in, it's another point. We have two rotors spinning for blue. We have two rotors spinning for red. We're going to be working on that third rotor now with 100 seconds left to play. We have fuel being spread all across the field. 6201, that's the Highlanders. They've got control of another gear. They're up and they're bringing it back. 2067, they have got a gear wedged inside their fuel hopper. We're going to have to try and see if that affects the Red Alliance's gear outputs. 4055 trying to pop another gear up and in. Special delivery. The pilot's got to carefully pull those gears out of the robots and into the airship. We have 3 rotors spinning for blue. We have 2 rotors spinning for red. Just under a minute of play left in the match. There's a lot of fuel and gears clogging up space in that blue retrieval zone. 4034 trying to play some defense, try and block that access point, try and make it as hard as possible for the teams to score. 6201, the Highlanders trying to outmaneuver Apple Pie. They make it their way. That midfield is very contentious. There are robots must cross it to get from one end to the other. That is where those collisions occur. We are in the final play, and it's still tied up, 155 apiece. It is gonna come down to the climbs. What will we be having? We've got 2 robots going up. We've got a triple climb for red. We are gonna see, will 97 make it up? There's 10 seconds left. The red ship is all lit. Will 97 make it? It's lit, fam. It is lit with a second left to go. It's a score of 305 to 305. We'll have to see what happens next. Our final scores are coming up on the board. And it was a tie. It was a perfect tie. They both had 305 points. They both got the mobility bonus. They both got autonomous rotors. They both had 3 robots climb. They both did not score any pieces of fuel. We have gone through all 6 of our tiebreakers. Every level on that board is equal. So that means we will have another replay of this quarterfinal match.